Introduction. What we will learn. Welcome to Lesson 1 of our English learning series. In this lesson, we will discuss easy and practical ways to improve your English. Learning a new language can be challenging, but with the right methods, you can make progress quickly. Here's what we will cover. Listening to English every day, why it's important and how to do it. Speaking as much as possible, even if you make mistakes. Reading simple English texts, books, articles, and more. Writing in English daily. Keeping a journal or writing short notes. Learning new words every day. Building your vocabulary. Watching English movies and TV shows. Fun ways to learn. Practicing with friends or language partners. Speaking with others. Using language learning apps. Helpful tools for practice. By the end of this lesson, you will know simple and effective techniques to improve your English step by step. 1. Listen to English every day. One of the best ways to learn English is by listening to it every day. When you listen, you learn. Pronunciation, how words sound. Natural speech patterns, how people talk in real life. New words and phrases. How to practice listening. Watch English videos. YouTube, movies, TV shows. Listen to English songs and try to understand the lyrics. Use podcasts or audiobooks. Choose easy ones at first. Repeat what you hear to practice speaking. Tip: start with slow and clear English, like children's shows or beginner podcasts. 2. Speak as much as possible. Many learners are afraid to speak because they worry about making mistakes. But speaking is the fastest way to improve. How to practice speaking. Talk to yourself in English. Describe your day, thoughts, or plans. Repeat sentences from movies or podcasts. Find a language partner, a friend or online tutor to practice with. Join English-speaking groups online or in your community. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Everyone does. The more you speak, the better you become. 3. Read simple English texts. Reading helps you learn new words, grammar, and sentence structures. Start with easy texts and slowly move to harder ones. What to read? Children's books, simple words and stories. Short articles, news, blogs, or magazines. Subtitles in English movies. Social media posts. Twitter, Facebook, and English. Tip: underline new words, check their meanings, and try to use them in sentences. 4. Write in English daily. Writing helps you think in English and improves grammar and vocabulary. How to practice writing. Keep a daily journal. Write a few sentences about your day. Send messages in English. Text friends or join English chat groups. Write short stories or summaries after reading or watching something. Use grammar checking tools, like Grammarly, to correct mistakes. Tip: start with short sentences and gradually write longer paragraphs. 5. Learn new words every day. A strong vocabulary helps you express yourself better. Learning a few words daily is better than memorizing many at once. How to learn new words. Use flashcards. Apps like Anki or Quizlet. Make word lists. Group words by topics. Food, travel, work, etc. Learn phrases, not just single words. E.g., how are you? Instead of just how. Use new words and sentences to remember them. Tip: learn 5 to 10 new words daily and review them often. 6. Watch English movies and TV shows. Watching movies and shows is a fun and effective way to learn. You hear real conversations, slang, and different accents. How to learn from movies, shows. Use subtitles, first in your language, then in English. Pause and repeat sentences. Watch with friends and discuss in English. Choose shows with simple dialogues. Cartoons, sitcoms. Tip: Netflix, YouTube, and Disney Plus have many English shows for learners. 7. Practice with friends or language partners. Practicing with others helps you gain confidence and improve fluency. How to find a language partner. Join language exchange apps, Tandem, Hello Talk. Find online English groups, Facebook, Discord. Ask a friend to speak English with you. Take online classes, Italki, Preply. Tip: don't be shy. Most people are happy to help learners. 8. Use language learning apps. Many apps make learning English easy and interactive. Best apps for English learners: Duolingo, fun lessons for beginners. Memrise, vocabulary with videos. BBC Learning English, free lessons and quizzes. Hello English, grammar and speaking practice. Tip: spend 10-15 minutes daily on these apps for steady progress. Conclusion: what we have learned. In this lesson, we discussed easy ways to improve your English. Here's a quick summary. Listen to English daily. Songs, podcasts, movies. Speak as much as possible, even if you make mistakes. Read simple texts, books, articles, subtitles. Write in English every day. Journal, messages, stories. Learn new words daily and use them in sentences. Watch English movies and shows with subtitles. Practice with friends or language partners for real conversation. Use language apps for fun and interactive learning. By following these steps every day, you will see big improvements in your English skills. This lesson is designed to be easy, engaging, and practical for new English learners. Hope you find it helpful. Keep practicing and don't give up. See you in the next lesson.